France in 2025 continues to amaze with timeless marvels and fresh discoveries. Explore the reimagined Notre-Dame Cathedral in Paris, now reopened with restored grandeur. Witness the futuristic architecture of the Louvre Lens, blending history with innovation. Stroll through the colorful Alsace villages that feel like fairy tales. Discover the cliffs of Étretat and the pink-hued Camargue salt flats. The Mont-Saint-Michel remains a medieval wonder rising from the sea. In the south, Provence dazzles with blooming lavender fields and artistic towns. From Alpine landscapes to Riviera sunsets, France in 2025 offers a perfect harmony of culture, nature, and modern marvels. Wonders of France. 1. Eiffel Tower, Paris. A symbol of France, the Eiffel Tower offers breathtaking views of Paris. Its elegant iron structure, sparkling lights, and panoramic decks make it an unforgettable experience, day or night. 2. Mont-Saint-Michel, Normandy. Rising from the sea, Mont-Saint-Michel is a medieval island village with a stunning abbey. Surrounded by tides and myths, it's one of France's most magical and picturesque destinations. 3. Palace of Versailles. Once the seat of royal power, Versailles dazzles with golden halls, vast gardens, and fountains. It's a masterpiece of French art, history, and architectural grandeur, just outside Paris. 4. Gorges du Verdon. Often called Europe's Grand Canyon, this deep river gorge offers striking turquoise water, limestone cliffs, and thrilling adventures like hiking, kayaking, and climbing in an unforgettable natural setting. 5. Château de Chambord. A jewel of Renaissance architecture, Château de Chambord impresses with spiral staircases, majestic towers, and vast parklands. It's the crown of the Loire Valley's legendary Castle Trail. 6. Lavender fields of Provence. Each summer, Provence turns purple as fragrant lavender fields bloom under the sun. The vibrant rows stretch across hills, creating a dreamlike landscape filled with color, scent, and charm. 7. The Dune of Pilot. Towering above the Atlantic coast, this massive sand dune offers panoramic views of forest, sea, and sky. A surreal natural wonder perfect for hiking, photography, and paragliding. 8. Pont du Gard, Occitanie. An ancient Roman aqueduct, the Pont du Gard stands as a feat of engineering and beauty. Set over the Gardon River, it blends history, architecture, and scenic surroundings. 9. Étretat Cliffs, Normandy. These dramatic white chalk cliffs and natural arches tower above the English Channel. The windswept coastal views and sea-carved formations make it a breathtaking and artistic destination. 10. Calanques of Cassis. Hidden between Marseille and Cassis, these rocky inlets with turquoise waters are perfect for swimming, kayaking, and hiking. The Calanques are nature's secret escape on the Mediterranean coast.